Good day, class.
Good day, ma'am.
Okay, so are you ready to learn a new lesson this morning?
Of
Yes,
course,
ma'am.
ma'am. Absolutely,
Okay,
ma'am.
so before we proceed, please read the prayer, Miss Rika. You can do your own prayer.
Okay. Very Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Lord, please guide us for our lesson for today and may this lesson end well. That's all. Thank you. Amen.
So before you take your seats, please pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs and align your chairs properly. Okay, you may take your seats now. Okay, again, good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so are you ready to learn a new lesson this morning?
Of
Yes,
course,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Of course.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Really?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, can I hear one clap if you are ready? How about two claps? Okay, since you already ready for this lesson, let's set some classroom rules. Please read, everyone.
Classroom rules. Listen when someone is speaking. Raise your hand to speak or ask questions. Follow instructions. Listen attentively.
Okay, so I will ensure that these rules will be followed throughout our discussion. Is that clear, class?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good.
Yes.
So,
Promise, ma'am. Behave me, ma'am po.
okay, so before we proceed to our discussion, let's warm up with a fun activity. Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this activity called This or That Game. Are you familiar with this game, class?
No, ma'am.
Alright, so in this morning, we will play this game. So, how to play the game? Please read, Rika.
Okay, how to play. You'll be presented with a series of choices. Choose the option you prefer. There are no right or wrong answer. Choose one and explain why.
Okay, is the instruction clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. For first... Okay. So, are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course,
Of
ma'am.
course.
Very good. Okay. So, this or that. Just raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, Rio.
This, ma'am. Flying kite.
Why? Why did you choose flying?
Because I don't know how to fly a kite, ma'am. I would like to learn.
You would like to learn how to fly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kasi, how about Mobile Legend? Have you tried playing games in mobile?
Yes, ma'am, but I give up.
You give
Right
up.
away.
Okay. Thank you. You may take your seats. Okay, for that, next. Yes, Rika.
Watching a movie.
Watching movie. Why do you prefer watching movie rather than having a picnic with your friends?
Because I like to stay in my house and watch a movie.
Okay, very good. Like to stay in your house, relaxing and watching
Yes, ma'am.
movie. Okay. How about this one?
Hmm.
Yes, Rio.
Camping, ma'am.
Camping. Have you tried camping before?
Not yet, ma'am, but I would like to, ma'am. Like, I imagine it being relaxing, nature, together with your
Yes.
friends.
Okay. So sometimes nature can help us relax, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Especially with natay uban mga friends, family, and
Yes,
mga
ma'am.
classmates.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Take your seats. Thank you. How about this one? Yes, Rita.
Napping, ma'am.
Napping. Did you do
Yes.
napping all the time?
Yes naman.
Especially when you
Never.
have free time, right?
Yes. Sagasa pa na, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, what do you observe with our activity class?
Some
Okay, Rika?
there are some activities that requires, going out or making a movement, while some activities or like napping or watching a movie doesn't require any type of movements or very little movements at all, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, do you have any idea what is our lesson this morning?
I think it's all about
Yes?
outdoor or indoor activities, ma'am.
Yes, very good. This morning, let's tackle about indoor and outdoor recreational activities. Okay, so recreational activities, it is usually refers to activities that we enjoy doing rather than work or professional something like that. And then before we dive into our discussion, let's be started with our learning objectives. So please read everyone.
Learning objectives. Identify the types of recreational activity. Differentiate the indoor and outdoor recreational activities.
Okay, very good. So, let's proceed. Indoor and outdoor recreational activity. Please read indoor activity, recreational activity, Rika.
Okay. Indoor recreational activities are usually done within enclosed spaces, making them ideal during bad weather or in urban areas with limited outdoor access.
Okay, indoor recreational activities are usually done within closed area or closed space like
Yes,
room, gymnasium, anything na naay closed areas.
Yes,
How
with
about
the door, ma'am.
Yes.
With the roof, ma'am.
with the
Yes,
roof? Okay. How about outdoor recreational activities? Please read Leo.
Ma'am naman, every you po.
Yes.
Okay. Outdoor activities are the things we do outside in nature or open areas. Outdoor activities often involve social interaction, allowing individuals to build relationships with friends and family.
Okay, thank you. So, who among you here experience indoor activities? Please raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes? Can you share your experience in the class?
I'm like, when you are taking a nap.
Taking a nap, yes.
It's a leisure activity mo.
Indoor activity you enjoy the most, right?
Yes, ma'am. Of course.
Okay, you may take your
Relax.
rest. Very good. How about outdoor recreational activity, Rio?
One, ma'am. Running, ma'am.
Running. Do you really enjoy running with your friends?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, with my cousins.
Okay.
Like, not often, but like, once a week.
Once a week.
It's in the blue.
Okay, take your seats. Thank you so much. So, outdoor activities, the things that we do outside the building. Okay? So, this activity usually help us to social interact with one another, with other
Yes,
with our
ma'am.
friends and
Yes, ma'am.
families, bond and like that. Kasi talaga kayo, example sa outdoor activities. Daghan siya kayo siya guys,
Yes, ma'am.
mga sa outdoor activities. Okay? So, these are example of indoor recreational activities. Who among you here experience playing with a computer? Yes, Rika, can you share your experience in the class?
Yes, ma'am. Atong nag-play ko Plants vs. Zombies sa computer.
Plants versus Zombies.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, how was your experience playing computer?
It was very fun, ma'am.
Very
You know,
fun, okay.
Wasting my time with just playing and nothing at all. That's
Okay.
not-
You enjoy yourself
Time.
by yourself time. Okay. How about
Iyo. One, ma'am. Like, mag-play may chess sa akong
chess?
sa akong twin, ma'am. Then, mag-fight na din ni ma'am.
Fight! Ano mag-fight man? Okay. Okay. It is really enjoyable, no? With some of activities we play it with our friends, family,
Yes, ma'am.
or classmates, right?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next is baking. Who among you experience baking class? Or cooking? Cooking. Baking like
Prito-prito
that.
lang, ma'am.
Prito-prito lang. Okay,
Prito
ma'am.
isda.
Prito isda.
Attorney, pituhod. Chicken, pituhod.
Tanan,
Oh.
pituhon. Okay, so, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
very good. It's sort of indoor recreational activities. Why do you think so? Class.
Like, cooking and baking.
Cooking and baking. It's an indoor activity.
Why?
Yes.
Nagluto mo kasi yung kitchen, ma'am. Ang kitchen naman nasa sa balay. So,
Very good. What a great point, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Kitchen. Sunod sa balay. So,
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
basically indoor activities. So, how about table tennis?
Wala pa may experience mo.
pero ang ganda kami, ma'am, with fun.
Ano po bang pag ano bitag sa bulan mo so igo yung naon mo ba?
Yes.
No.
So, it is very
Pag-ana na Pag-ana ba?
table tennis is very somewhat fun to
Yes, ma'am.
to watch, but to actually in the game it is really confusing, especially if
Yes, ma'am.
wala yung kay knowledge
Yes,
about
ma'am.
playing table
I think po
tennis.
ma'am.
Okay, so next, let's have an example of outdoor recreational activities. So, fishing. who among you here experience fishing?
Not me.
Me, mom.
No, you don't have
Mainas noon, ma'am.
experience.
Ana.
Mainas.
Like
Oh, it's
magkuhan-
also
kuhan.
fun kaya it's outdoor activities. But then, fishing class, I have shared to you my experience in fishing. It's very funny because kauban ko sa akong lolo sakay mig boat and then nag-stroll me sa dagat.
Oh,
Nag-stroll me sa dagat and then since it was my first time riding a boat, syempre, ang teacher, ang teacher.
Gasuka, ma'am. Gasuka.
Yes, gasuka dyan ang babae. Nagsuka.
Sila isa
Yeah. Then, fishing is really amazing class. Like, you with your families, trying to relax and do some sort of activity that usually new to you, no?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
about running? What was your experience running? Okay, Rio, since you
Yes, ma'am.
shared earlier that you enjoy running, can you share your experience? And
Yes, ma'am. I mean, at first, ma'am, like, ako yun cover. Ganun daw, pag kanin or running, ma'am, makakita pag view dito ang nice. Then you
Yes.
get to relax. Like, it actually clears my mind when
yes,
I'm
okay,
running.
very good. That is one part of outdoor recreational activity. It helps to clear minds. Okay, you take your seats and also helps to release some sort of stress.
Yes,
Since
ma'am.
nasa to, like, especially academic
Yes,
stress
ma'am.
is your students.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
How about skating? Who among your experience skating?
No.
Skating is really interesting thing to do, no?
Yes,
So,
It's
ma'am.
dangerous.
but it's dangerous, right? Very good. So, I have an experience in skating. It's really funny because I do skating in indoor area, like in our house before. So, my father has a skate, is it called roller skate?
Oh, roller
And then, sa inside din si teacher nag-play. Dili jud in taon siya kabalo pa mo skate anang mga open area. Okay, very good. It really means outdoor activity. It can help us to release some sort of stress.
Yes,
It can help
ma'am.
us to relax also
Yes, ma'am.
by doing this kind of activities.
Yes, ma'am.
You agree?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, very good. So let's have another activity. So this activity called My Dream Day, indoor and outdoor. So I will divide the class into two groups, and then please read the instruction, class.
Each group will plan a dream day, which must include at least one indoor activity and one outdoor activity. Afterwards, each group will present their dream day to the class. For each activity, the group will also need to provide a brief explanation of why they choose it.
Okay, is that clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Really? Do you have any question or need further clarification?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so since you're ready to our activity, let's be guided with our rubrics. So please read, Mika.
Okay. Rubrics. Criteria. Creativity, excellent 4. Good 3. Needs improvement 2. Indoor and outdoor balance, excellent 4. Good 3. Needs improvement 2. Team participation, excellent 4. Good 3. Needs improvement 2.
Okay, thank you. You may take your seat. So I will give you 3 minutes to do your work, and then after that you will be presented your work here in front.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, mag-start na ba?
Yes, you may start.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, time's up. Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for our first group, will be presented Miss Milo.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I'm here at Sandero. Okay, can you give me a clap? Okay. I choose in outdoor. I write running because I really like running with my mga cousins. Ma'am.
Cousins,
Usually,
okay.
ma'am.
Wait. I have a question. Basketball ka sa sulod? Sa indoor? Oo! Pwede na. Loko! Wala kay gym.
Wala kay gym?
Nakabalog.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, basketball usually can do that indoor and outdoor.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Then, may good 2 hearts. Actually, 3 yun kay para ako, ano 3? Di ba na siya mga sikudan eh?
Alright, it's okay.
Hindi, yun akong signature. To show nga picture. Signature. Like, to show you lang ako ang, hindi man,
Okay. Thank you, Rio, for your wonderful work. You may take your seats. Next, we have the group 2, that will be presented by Miss Ika.
Okay, kung may outdoor ma'am kayo, of course, playing basketball outside.
Outside,
Yes,
outdoor.
ma'am.
Okay.
You play basketball with your friends or ano?
Ganun lang yun, no?
Badminton? Yes naman. Ang buwan, nanay vitamins ang buwan. Like,
Alright.
then for indoor ma'am, eating.
Eating.
You consider eating it.
Oh my God, of course, you are
Indoor.
Wow, you're moving your
Like
body.
a child.
You're doing some activities.
Yes,
Yes.
since eating doesn't really need a larger space to do, you can do that. You can do it in your room or your kitchen,
Look
right?
at my drawing.
Yes, very
nice.
very unique drawing, very good. You know the indoor and outdoor activity is very balanced. So since basketball and eating, yes, you can take your. Thank you for your wonderful work class. So since everyone has presented their activity very nice and clear, I will give you 100%. Each group
Yes,
is
ma'am.
and the group two, okay? Okay, since you already learned about indoor and outdoor activity, let's have a short quiz, okay? Please get your 1/4 sheet of paper. Read the direction first before you answer.
Read each question carefully and choose the one best answer from the options provided.
Okay. Number 1. Are you done, class?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, exchange your paper with your seatmates. Okay, for number 1, it's C. Number 2, B. Number 3, C. 4, B. The last 5, B. Who got the correct answer, class?
100.
Perfect score, very good.
Yes, ma'am, of
Okay.
course.
One na
Think
siya,
you
ma'am.
Yes.
really learned something this morning.
Ma'am,
Very
awa,
good.
ma'am. One na siya.
Okay. Ikaw ha, binuang na mo. And then, proceed to our assignment. Okay, please read everyone.
Assignment. Determine your indoor or outdoor activity during your free time and take a picture of you doing that.
Okay, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, your assignment will be passed next meeting.
Ma'am.
Okay, class dismissed.
Yes!
Kuya.